Stop dreaming and start grinding. The biggest sales are here, and if your kitchen needs a power boost, here are the top 3 mixer grinders to supercharge your cooking. Bosch TrueMix Pro 1000 watt heavy duty mixer grinders. For pure power and durability, the Bosch TrueMix Pro 1000 watt mixer grinder is amazing, priced around 6,000 rupees. Its stone pounding technology mimics traditional grinding, which is perfect for tough Indian masalas. It's built to handle anything without overheating, a real workhorse that stands out from the competition. Sujata Multi-Mix 900 watt mixer grinder. Again, one of the amazing mixer grinders. If you're looking for the top quality and versatility mixer grinder, then this is the best one. Priced around 7,000 rupees. This powerful motor runs for up to 90 minutes non-stop and includes an excellent juicer attachment. It's the ultimate all-in-one blend and juice master. Other mixers can't handle this kind of continuous heavy load. Philips HL7756 750 watt mixer grinder, which is amazing. Yes, on a budget but need a rock solid reliability, then go for this mixer grinder, priced around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. The turbo motor and specialized blades give consistently fine results, even for small quantities like chutneys. It's classic dependable choice for everyday grinding. Overall, the users have given positive reviews for all these machines, and you can see the reviews in the e-commerce website before buying them. But as we have gone through the reviews are amazing for these machines. For all the machines, for all the mixer grinders, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.